Before you start the next lesson on conversion from decimal to hexadecimal, we would like to prepare for you a couple of examples so you have a good understanding of how this works. Up here at the top, you'll notice we have the word hexadecimal, and here are the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and instead of the value of 10, which it is, we have the alphabet A, B, C, D, E, and F. Now the decimal equivalent is listed directly below it. However, what we want to do is on this side show you how to convert from hexadecimal to decimal. This side will use the same number and convert from decimal to hexadecimal, so we have a solid understanding. Looking over here on this side first, you'll notice we have the number 64, which is hexadecimal. Now the first number is to the power of 16, 0, which means simply any number here, in this example it's a 4, will be multiplied by a 1. If this had been a 7 or 8, it would have been multiplied by 1. This number, the second number, is to 16 to the first power. So that means this number will multiply 16 by that number. In this example, it's 6 times 16, which is equal to 96. However, if this were a 5, it would be 5 times 16, or a 4, or a 3, or a 2. But it's 6 in this example. Now, all you have to do is add these two numbers together. 96 plus 4 equals 100. So that's the decimal equivalent to the number 64. Very quickly again, 64, the first number, you're going to have it go to the power of 0. So in this case, 4 times 1 equals 4. The second number, 6 is going to go to the power of 1. So it'll be 16 times 6, which is 96. Add those two numbers together. Okay, remember the number is 100 because we want to use the same numbers. Now, the decimal is 100, step 1. 16, we must divide the number by 16 because we want to convert it to hexadecimal. 16 goes into 100 how many times? 6 times. So leave the 6 here. However, you must make sure you understand that 16 times 6 is 96. 100 minus 96 is a remainder of 4, right? Because here's 100 minus 96, remainder of 4. How many times does 16 go into 6? 0 times, with a remainder of 6. So the answer here is 64, right? If you look over here, that's the hexadecimal answer. Very quickly again, let's look at this. Step 1, divide the decimal number by 16, right? How many times does 16 go into that number? 6 times. Now, subtract the remainder, which in this case is a 4, which is 100 minus 96. How many times does 16 go into 6? 0 times, with a remainder of 6. So your number, the most significant digit, is 6. So your number here is 64, just like it shows you right here. Okay, 64 is the hexadecimal, 100 was the decimal.
Why, good day. You all know me. My name is Sheldon, and I'm here to help you out. What you're going to do with this video is you are going to learn number system conversion. Looking ahead in time, you are going to learn how to go from decimal to octal, and from decimal to hexadecimal, and to octal to hexadecimal, and back again. Why? Because we are preparing you for the future. So it's extremely imperative that you pay close attention to your teacher and this video.
In this lesson, lesson 3, converting decimal base 10 to hexadecimal base 16 and back again. Please show all of your work, and hopefully you clicked on this video button to hear me explain all this. And you'll notice that what we've provided for you is this little table illustrating hexadecimal and decimal. Okay, well the first question is 6 in hexadecimal is equal to what in decimal? Now, because if you look carefully, 6 for 6, this is a pretty easy one. So the answer is 6. Okay, the rest of them might not be that easy, but it'll take you some time, and by following those directions from that video, you should have little if any difficulty in solving these problems. If you would please pause the video, then go ahead and answer these questions, then continue playing the video, and we will provide you with the answers. If you would, please pause the video now. Thank you.
That's all, folks.